Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix this account cannot use WhatsApp. If you can see, this kind of error occurs due to violation of terms or services of WhatsApp. So without wasting our time, let's go to the solution. First of all, you have to close that and you have to open any kind of browser, which may be Chrome. You have to open a new tab and you have to search for whatsapp.com. Here you have to click on whatsapp.com. If you open that website, what you have to do is you have to scroll down and you can easily find here contact us. Here you will find two options. The first option is as WhatsApp Messenger support if you are using simple WhatsApp Messenger, and the second one is for WhatsApp Business support. If you are using WhatsApp Business, you can click on that. If you are using WhatsApp Messenger Simple, you can click on Contact Us. After clicking on that, a form will be opened. Here you have to provide your mobile number so that they can access your accounts in a better way. After doing so, what you have to do is you have to provide the email address if you have connected your email address to WhatsApp. If you have not connected, then you can provide that email address on which WhatsApp can connect you in a better way. As you can see, if I provide this email address, then here you have to provide your full email address so that they can contact you in a better way. After you have to again put that email address for confirm email address. As you can see here, you have to paste that. After doing so, they will ask you what kind of WhatsApp you are using. If you are using Android or iPhone, you have to select that. After doing all the things, they will ask you what the problem you are facing. Here you have to tell the WhatsApp what is the problem with your account. As I have already written the description of that message, so simply we have to copy that. After selecting that description, we have to paste that description in that box. As you can see, after we have put that description, you have to provide your number, which is as hello WhatsApp team, kindly review my WhatsApp account as I have not done any thing which is against WhatsApp terms of services and extra etc. And you have to provide your mobile number. After doing so, you can click on next step, and they will ask you that if this kind of things help or not. If this kind of things helps, then you can select send question, and your report will be submitted to WhatsApp, and within 3 working days WhatsApp will contact to you by email and review your account, and in this way your account will be recovered. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.